The graph here has shown an ellipse. So, when we keep the major axis length constant, what effect does moving the foci have on the ellipse? We can move the foci on the graph and observe the change. So, this is the foci and now we are changing the ellipse. So, what makes the ellipse really narrow? So how we can make the ellipse narrow? As we see here, here's the center and here's the foci. When the foci is far away from the center, we called it a narrow. So now it is now it is narrow, and now narrow. So as much as you go, as much the narrow is coming bigger. So now it is very narrow. But what happens when the foci appears to the same point? So if we put the foci in the same point, we will see a circle. So when it is far, it is a narrow, and when it is in this same point in the center, we called it a circle, because as we see, this is a shape of circle. So the question says, what makes the ellipse really narrow? We will write what when we move the foci. The second question says, what happens when the foci appear to the same point? What will happen is we will see the shape of circle. So the ellipse will be a circle.